Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how to calculate performance of machine in a job shop. Also, I will show an example of dashboard for monitoring machine, created in Node-RED. In a job shop, it doesn't have fixed cycle time to calculate OEE, because there are many different order every single day, so we cannot calculate OEE for measure performance of each machine. Example of machine in job shop: lathe machine, milling, grinding, cutting, and others. So, in job shop, we don't calculate OEE, but we calculate efficiency, or running time. Starting from loading time, it is the specified working time, where we can calculate when the machine is started, or power on. In loading time, sometimes, machine gets trouble, breakdown, or stop cause of tool replacement. We called it downtime. Loading time minus downtime is operation time. This is the time when machine does not stop. We called as availability, with formula, operation time divide loading time. In operation time, there is idle loss. This is when machine spindle doesn't run. And the remaining time is run time. Runtime is the time when machine do something value added, such as when the machine cutting the workpiece, drilling, and others valuable time. We can get this condition from machine spindle. From runtime, we calculate performance, with formula. Runtime divide operation time. So, to calculate efficiency, we can calculate with formula. Availability multiplied performance, or we can use formulas. Runtime divide loading time. So efficiency of machine in job shop is how long total time used by machine to do something value added to the workpiece. It means the utilization of machine. This is an example dashboard to monitor machine's efficiency. This dashboard created using Node-RED. There are some gauges to show machine matrix, such as availability, performance, and total efficiency. The triggers is from relays on machine, connect to Raspberry Pi, and I use PostgreSQL as database. And this is dashboard to monitor efficiency with visualization on SVG image. For example, the visualization of machine is cutting machine. When machine is off, machine image's color will be gray. When machine is on, machine's color will be green. When machine is cutting, there are cutter and workpiece animation, and when machine get trouble or downtime, machine's color will be red. There is a pie chart. This chart show total run time, total idle loss, and total stop time. The total time in one full circle is loading time. In another page of dashboard, we can view efficiency and a date. Select machine name, then select production date, then click button. Dashboard will show the machine performance in this date, and we can view hourly running time. And we can view daily machine efficiency by range of date. First, select machine name, and select range of date, start date, and finish date. Dashboard will calculate total machine performance based on the date, and also calculate efficiency every day. This is dashboard with different image visualization. I use SVG image format to visual machine condition. For database configuration, I use VBA macro Excel file. With this Excel file, we can create required tables, insert machine name, and also we can view daily efficiency and trouble record. To view daily efficiency, go to Efficiency Daily Record Sheet. Then select machine name, month, and year. Then click Show Record button. Excel will calculate total loading time, stop time, and run time, and calculate efficiency every day in the month. Below, there is chart to show the data every day. We can compare data from Excel with data from the dashboard. The data must be same. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.